Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been doing lots of snacks lately, and so I wanted to review this keto chocolate snack. It's really great. So it's chocxo, and it's the choc keto little snaps. So they call these snaps. It's a little square of dark chocolate, keto friendly. So you can get these at Costco or on Amazon. They're really yummy. 3 net carbs per serving, so that's really great. They have some coconut in them, an almond, and gives us a really great flavor with the dark chocolate. So, and there's also some sea salt on top. I love sea salt on top of dark chocolate, really yummy. So these are really convenient to have. I like to have a little treat after lunch, and so this is really great keto option to keep it low carb, and these are low sugar as well. There's 3 grams of sugar for one of these squares. So for a treat, that's really good. So I'm going to show you what these look like. This is a really big bag of them. But they are, these are also organic and gluten-free. So if you're choosing to go gluten-free or organic, these are really great. But it's a little square. So inside the square is also 4 little smaller squares, so you can break them up if you'd like. So on the inside, you can see the pieces of almonds and coconut, really small pieces, but these are so good. So I'm gonna give it a try, let you know what I think. These are so good. I love anything dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is my favorite. So really great if you need just a really small little treat after a meal. They're really great, keto friendly. So you can get these on Amazon, and I will link the link to that in the description. You can also get them at Costco. Those are the only 2 places I've seen it at. I'm sure that it's available at other places, but really yummy, perfect for a snack. And if you're keto, on the keto diet, this is really wonderful as well. So check these out. So thanks for watching, you guys, for this review. This chocolate's so good. If you want these, check them out. If you need a new keto-friendly treat, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love doing these reviews of fun keto snacks and foods that I've been finding. So I'll try and do some more of those coming up. So subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a video. Hope that you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.